aga Uganda People's Defence Forces otereho n'amahega fadaka agihanga ya Democratic Republic of Congo. Bigambo bye Major General Dick Orumu ashoborere kwa mahega ihanga aga Uganda People's Defence Forces gaterimo bukugu bw'amani mbwambega omulitaro rukurwanisa beinazi aba Allied Democratic Forces.
Sawa zino wetuogerera kyobola bageza nnyo kupanga ofuna bibomu bagende batwale mu Uganda. Ate kati ky'omukisa omulungi intelligence yaffe ennungi nnyo bagenda ne babigwako abasajja abo ne tubanga tubanoonya era kati nabo bakitegedde ne tubaliko just lwa intelligence yaffe kubeera mu buli ndaala nnyo okulaba nga balaba buli kimu. So olabira ddala nti UPDF kyetuliko kyamaanyi nnyo.
Okwiguraho sekta ya kana kikaba kirimo okwiguraho Elengeti Kamanda Mambasa Triangle kande eki zikaretere byenzenda bya Yoruba amuhando gwa Elengeti Kamanda ogwabere gutakurabwa ekyabere kyaira beinazi aba Allied Democratic Forces obusinze okubonabonesa amahanga gombi. Mbegambo bye mudumizi mukuru wa Operation Shuja Major General Dick Orumu yashoborera ngweki kikajemesereza beinazi aba ADF okungo myanya yabenemanywa nk'emyanya yabo bakayirkanjira myanya endijo.
Sector 4 twakayingiramu abantu bona bali badduka abamu badduka Beni abamu bagenda Erengeti abamu bali komanda abamu ne bagenda ne Goma ne Bunia valona tuse wano tuyine njawulo nnyo abantu bakomyewo bangi kyetwasooka okukola makubo kusobozesa motoka zaffe kutambula okutwala logistics ku baserikali baffe. Sawa zino bananchi basanyufu nnyo tubaletedde infrastructures nyingi development tubaletedde amazi naddala bana bali kumpi naffe tubakoledde makubo. Sawa zino bananchi batambula kuva Beni okugenda komanda mu lunaku lumu edda nga bamalanga weeks 3 weeks 4 nga batambula kuva Beni ogenda komanda. Amasomero agasinga Erengeti gonna gaguddewo abaana basoma abantu batambula.
Okwatanisa hagati y'amahega mhanga gombi kukatandika mu mwaka gw'2021 omukwezi kwa 11 mu kyange kya Semliki ngukandi ukarwanisa beinazi aba ADF omyanya ibabe bijwiremu okukira munongo muri Busunga nobiri Kamango mukakati ekande eki kikaretera amahanga gombi garwanisa beinazi aba omyanya nka kambi ya Mbuzi na kambi ya Yuwa. Esande hwire uri omudumizi mukuru w'amahega ihanga agahitaka Lieutenant General Kayanja Muhanga akashobora kwa amahega ihanga gatende ekiteekateko kyona ekyo kwiha abasirikare omu ihanga lya Congo.
The terrorist is always a terrorist. Some small groups will always come into our area to disturb the population here and there. So we are not yet fully done. We and the Congo army, we are doing a very, very good job. I think we shall end that.
Mbegambo bye Lieutenant General Kayanja Muhanga akashobora ngo kwatanisa hagati y'amahanga gombi n'ekikoreka ngo geheireyo okuretaho obusinze hamwe n'obugwaje omu kyange kya Great Lakes Regionals of Africa.
Where the civilians now, the civilian population in Eastern DRC has gone back to their homes. They have gone back to their homes. Where you see some of the UN camps closing, we have seen that, especially in these areas of Chabi, after in Mboga, those areas of Maribong, Zunguka, you know those areas when I mention them, those areas of Mwenda, those areas of Mutwanga. People have gone back to farming, churches have opened, schools have opened. I think you have seen for yourself, you have been.
Orukiiko oru rukeetabwamu bakomanda ab'endengo zitali zimwe na zimwe